Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to you all in today's first online lecture of chapter number 2. The name of our chapter number 2 is Long and Short. Let us see first introduction portion, then after which units we can use to measure any of the object or any of the things, then after we convert that units, then after we draw some short and long objects or things, then we see the meaning of double and half, and then we solve some sums regarding these all topics. So let us see first introduction. To measure the things, we can use the different units of length, and that all units like meter, the short form of meter is m, then centimeter and kilometer. The short form of centimeter is cm and the short form of kilometer is km. Centimeter is the smallest unit of length among these three units of length. Which three units of length here? Here 3 units of length is considered as meter, centimeter and kilometer. Among these three, centimeter is the smallest. And who is the biggest? Who is the largest? So we can say kilometer is the largest unit of length among these 3 units. To measure the small things, we can use centimeter, and to measure the large things, we can use kilometer. Let us see uses of units of length. There are 3 different units, and where we can use these different units. Let us see first centimeter, meter and kilometer. If we want to measure the length, the width of a TV screen, then we can use centimeter unit. To measure the length of the sari, we can use meter. To measure the distance from school to home, we can use kilometer unit. Then if we want to measure the bricks, then we can use centimeter unit. If we want to measure any height of any wall, then you can use meter unit. And then if we want to find out the distance between one city to another, then we can use kilometer unit. If we want to measure the length of a compass box, we can use centimeter unit. If we want to find out the length of clothes, then we can use meter. And if we want to measure the distance between park to another park, we can use kilometer unit. So let us see how we convert these units. See here, as we know that already, kilometer is the biggest and centimeter is the smallest unit. So whenever they were given any of the question in kilometer, and if you want to convert this kilometer into meter, then you have to do multiplied by 1000, and if you want to convert meter into centimeter, then you have to do the multiply by 100. When you convert big units to small units, you have to do multiply. But whenever you have to convert the smallest unit to biggest unit, it means centimeter, convert centimeter into meter, and convert meter into kilometer. At that time, you have to do the division. So when you convert centimeter into meter, you just do any of the question divided by 100. And when you have to convert meter into kilometer, at that time you have to divide that by 1000. So we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now let us see some conversion. Conversion of meter to centimeter. As you know already, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If they were given 3 meter to you, then just convert this 3 meter into centimeter. So 3 meter is equal to, we can say, 300 centimeter. Then 5 meter, 89 centimeter. So first you convert this 5 meter. 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter plus this 89 centimeter you have to do add. So it becomes 500 centimeter plus 89 centimeter is equal to 589 centimeter. Then 2 meter and 2 centimeter. 2 meter convert into centimeter, it becomes a 200 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. It becomes the addition of 200 plus 2 is equal to 202 centimeter. Then after 4 meter, 44 centimeter. 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter plus 44 centimeter. So it becomes 444 centimeter. This is the conversion of meter to centimeter. Now let us see some conversion of centimeter to meter. And we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 567 centimeter is equal to, when we convert this 567 centimeter, you just do divided by 100. This number divided by 100. In 100, last two digits 0. That's why last two digit is considered as your centimeter. And before there is digit 5. So it is considered as meter. So your answer is 5 meter and 67 centimeter. Your another one is 432 centimeter. Same thing, 432 divided by 100. So last two digit, that is your centimeter, and 4, this is your meter. So your answer is 4 meter and 32 centimeter. Another one is 909 centimeter. Now in this also, last two digits considered as centimeter, and before that 9 is there, it is considered as meter. So your answer is 9 meter and 09 centimeter, or we can say only 9 meter and 9 centimeter. Your another question is 650 centimeter. Last two digit, that is considered as a centimeter, and 6 considered as meter. So your answer is 6 meter and 50 centimeter. Now let us see some conversion of kilometer to meter. And as we know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 6 kilometer and 564 meter. So first convert this 6 kilometer. So 6 kilometer is equal to 6000 meter plus 564 meter. So it becomes 5564 meter. Then after 9 kilometer and 90 meter. So first we convert 9 kilometer into meter. So it becomes a 9000 meter plus 90 meter is equal to 9090 meter. 8 kilometer, 8 meter. So first you convert this 8 kilometer into meter. So it becomes 8000 meter plus 8 meter is equal to 8008 meter. Then 5 kilometer and 45 meter. So first you convert this 5 kilometer becomes a 5000 meter plus 45 meter. So 5045 meter, that is the answer. Now we convert kilometer to meter, we already studied. Now we have to convert meter to kilometer. And as we know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 2390 meter convert into kilometer and meter. In a meter there is a 30. So this 2390 divided by 1000. So when we divide this number, last 3 digit consider as meter, and before that it is considered as kilometer. So your answer is 2 kilometer and 390 meter. Another one, 4444 meter divided by 1000. So your answer is 4 kilometer and 444 meter. That is your answer. Next, 8654 meter. This number divided by 1000. So your answer is 8 kilometer and 654 meter. Then 4004 meter. So last 3 digit, that is considered as meter, and before that it is considered as kilometer. So your answer is 4 kilometer 004 meter, or we can say that only 4 kilometer and 4 meter. Let us see some story. Akbar was a famous king, as you know already. He had a smart minister, and the name of that minister is Birbal. Once Akbar gave him a difficult question. He drew a line on the floor. On the floor, Akbar was draw one line. And Akbar told to Birbal that make his line shorter without erasing it. Now, do you know how Birbal drew the line? Let us see. This is the line which is drawn by Akbar. So we can say this is the Akbar's line. Now Birbal wants to make one shorter line, but he does not want to cut this line. So what's the Birbal doing? Just Birbal draw below this line one big line. So you can see here whose line is the longer? Birbal's line. So it automatically Akbar's line becomes a shorter. So that is why all the person says that Birbal is the smart minister of Akbar's court. Let us see some longer and shorter concept. See here, you have to first measure one cup, and after that you have to draw one another cup, but that cup is 4 centimeter smaller than the first cup. So see here, this is the cup and the measurement of this cup is 12 centimeter. Now you have to draw one another cup, but that cup should be smaller than first cup and smaller than 4 centimeter by the first one. So 12 minus 4, It's a 8 centimeter. So we draw this cup and the length of this cup is 8 centimeter. So here you have to remember that what is the meaning of smaller. Now let us see one another. Measure this pencil. Here I am giving one pencil to you and you have to draw one another pencil which is 6 centimeter longer than it. So here this is the pencil and the measurement of this pencil is 10 centimeter as you see here. Now I want to draw one another pencil and that pencil should be 6 centimeter longer. Longer means maximum. So here we can do the addition of 10 plus 6. So it becomes a 16. So the length of this pencil is 16 centimeter. Do you know what is the meaning of double? Let us see. To get a double of a number, we add the same number to itself. If we want to find out the double of any of the number, what we have to do? We have to just add the same number in that original number. So we get the double of its number. Or in another word, we can say that when a number is multiplied by 2, we say that it is a double. For example, double of 2 is, your original number is 2 and in that you have to add itself 2 only. So 2 plus 2, it becomes a 4. So we can say that 4 is the double of 2. See here 4 balls are there and in that you have to just add also 4 balls. So it becomes 8 balls. So we can say here 8 is the double of 4. Now this way you can find out the double of any number. Let us see what is the meaning of half. When the whole of the something is divided into two equal parts, we call each part as a half. When a number is divided by 2, we say that it is a half. So when you have to find out the double of any of the number, you have to do the multiply by 2 and when you have to find out half of the any number, you have to just divide that number into two equal parts divided by 2. So see here, I am giving one apple to you and what is the half of that apple? So that is the 1 by 2. Let us see one sum. Jalpa once read a list of the tallest people in the world. In the world, what is the height of the tallest people? That the Jalpa was read one time. One of them was 272 centimeter tall and out of the many of them, the maximum height of one people and that is the 272 centimeter. After that, the Jalpa just think that the height of this people, the height of this person is double of mine height. So how the tall is Jalpa? Let us see. Here we have to find out the Jalpa's height. So Jalpa says that the height of that man is double of mine. So what we have to do? We just do the divide by 2. So we get Jalpa's height. So the height of that man is 272 divided by 2. You have to just do the division. 272 divided by 2. So it becomes 136 centimeter. So what is the Jalpa's height? So we can say that Jalpa's height is 136 centimeter. Let us see how tall have you grown. In this I am giving the list of some friends, then after their last year's height, then this year height, and then after you have to tell me that how many centimeter have they grown. First is Sonu. Sonu's height, last year's height is 125 centimeter. This year height is 135 centimeter. Now you have to do the subtraction of this both number. 135 minus 125 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So we can say that Sonu has grown by 10 centimeter. Another is Monu. The height of Monu last year it's a 140, current year it's a 148. So how many centimeter Monu grown? So we can say that 148 minus 140 centimeter is equal to 8 centimeter. Now Bubbly. Bubbly's height was 132 centimeter. Current year it's a 136 centimeter. Now the subtraction of this both number is 4 centimeter. So we can say that the Bubbly has grown by 4 centimeter. Now Raju. Raju's height last year 140 centimeter, current year 146 centimeter. Now by subtracting this both number, we get how many centimeter have Raju grown. So we can say that 146 minus 140 is equal to 6 centimeter. So this year's Raju's height was grown by 6 centimeter. Thank you all of you. I hope you all understand these all topics. Do more practice of this all. Thank you once again.